everyone, welcome back to our channel where veggies meet wellness. Today we are going to talk about a very refreshing and powerful herb, Pudina, also known as mint. Pudina is not just used for taste and aroma, it is also full of health benefits. Let's understand everything about Pudina step by step in a very simple way. What is Pudina? Pudina is a fragrant green leafy herb. It is widely used in Indian kitchen, Ayurveda, home remedies, and even cosmetics. Its scientific name is mentha. Pudina is aromatic in nature and has a natural cooling effect. The most commonly used part of the plant is its leaves, either fresh or dried. There are different types of pudina found around the world. Spearmint is the most common type used in Indian cooking. Peppermint has a strong smell and is used in oils and medicines. Apple mint has a mild and sweet aroma, and wild mint, also called Pahadi Pudina, has strong medicinal value. Nutritional value of Pudina. Pudina is very low in calories but rich in iron. Nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, antioxidants, and dietary fiber, and iron. Health benefits of Pudina. First, it improves digestion. Pudina helps relieve gas, bloating, and acidity, and is very powerful in digestion and stomach pain. It's very helpful. It naturally cools the body and is especially beneficial during summers and heat strokes. It boosts immunity because it is rich in antioxidants. It helps the body fight infections. It relieves cold and cough. Pudina clears nasal congestion and soothes throat irritation. It supports oral health. It freshens breath and helps prevent bad odor and mouth bacteria. It is good for skin. Pudina helps reduce acne and pimples and calms itching and skin irritation. And it helps in weight management. It improves digestion and metabolism and is a low calories herb. Pudina in Ayurveda. According to Ayurveda, Pudina has katu or pungent taste and tikta or bitter taste. Its nature is sit meaning cooling. It helps reduce pitta, balance cough, but if overused, it may increase vat. Uses of Pudina. In cooking, Pudina is used in chutney, raita, flavored water, soups, salads, and herbal tea as a home remedy. Pudina water helps digestion, mint tea helps reduce stress, and mint paste is used for skin problems. Pudina is also used in toothpaste, mouth fresheners, essential oils, and perfumes. How to use Pudina daily? You can drink Pudina water in the morning, add fresh leaves to your meals, use mint chutney in moderation, and drink mint tea in the evening. If taken in excess, Pudina can cause acidity. It may increase cold or cough in some people. Large amounts are not recommended during pregnancy, and peppermint oil should never be applied directly on the skin. How to grow Pudina at home? Pudina grows well in partial sunlight. It is perfect for pot gardening. Water it regularly and harvest the leaves often for better growth. Mint is one of the oldest medicinal herbs used by humans and is even mentioned in ancient texts. Yeah, so this was all for today. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and be happy. Bye bye.